Hi there, welcome to Clever Mum, where I share smart tips and solutions for everyday challenges. Let's dive into air fryers. You're in for a clever treat. Air fryers, innovation or illusion? Promising guilt-free crispiness, they've captivated kitchens worldwide. But are they revolutionary or overrated? Stay with me, lovelies, as we uncover the magic or misstep of these trendy machines. You're watching Clever Mum, where smart solutions meet everyday life. Imagine golden fries made with just a spritz of oil, or wings that keep the flavor but lose the grease. Air fryers use hot air to mimic deep frying, claiming up to 90% less oil. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the question, do they deliver on taste? Some say they fall short of that deep-fried decadence. In this video, we'll explore the facts, the tech behind air fryers, their strengths and their limitations. By the end, you'll know exactly if an air fryer earns its spot in your kitchen. Join me as I guide you through this culinary quest for healthier cooking without the compromise. So, how does an air fryer work? It's easy to understand. These devices use rapid hot air circulation to cook food with even heat distribution. Essentially, they're mini convection ovens. A quick mist of oil on potato wedges, pop them inside, and boom, crispy goodness. But purists argue they can't replicate the rich flavour of traditional frying, and they may not be entirely wrong. That said, air fryers balance efficiency, health, and convenience, qualities home cooks love. Nutrition experts cheer the reduced oil, while time-starved parents celebrate the speed. Yet, for gourmet chefs focused on taste alone, it might not seal the deal. Is the trade-off worth it? That's up to your priorities. Stick around as we explore the versatility of this handy gadget together. Air fryers aren't just for fries or wings, my friends. Picture crispy reheated pizza, roasted veggies bursting with colour, or even brownies and cakes, all achievable with the right model. For small kitchens, these multitaskers can replace several bulky appliances, adding efficiency to your cooking routine. But as with any gadget, picking the right one is crucial. Big names like Philips or Ninja are known for reliability, but you'll want to think about features too. Are you cooking for a family or just for one? Larger models offer more flexibility, but compact ones save counter space. Here's a tip from me to you. Opt for dishwasher-safe baskets to simplify cleanup. And be patient. Air fryers come with a slight learning curve, and your first few recipes might not be perfect. Stick with it, and you'll soon unlock their full potential. By balancing your needs, whether it's convenience, creativity, or calorie-conscious cooking, you'll find the perfect match for your kitchen. Choosing the right air fryer doesn't have to be overwhelming, dear mums. Some of my favourites include the Dash Compact, great for beginners or solo snacking. The Instant Vortex offers preset options like roasting and baking, giving you versatility galore. For advanced cooks, the Breville Smart Oven takes the crown with its powerful features. But size matters. Smaller fryers are unobtrusive but limit portion sizes, while larger ones might suit a growing household. And let's talk budget. A higher price often means more durability and features, but don't worry, there are options for every pocket. If ease is a priority, consider models with intuitive controls and simple cleanup. Remember, an air fryer is a helper, not a miracle worker. It won't fully replace your oven, but it excels at making healthier meals and snacks fast. Think of it as a trusted ally in your kitchen, making everyday cooking smarter and tastier. Before you go, don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss my smart tips. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's curious about air fryers. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop your comments below and join the Clever Mum community. Together, we'll continue to make clever choices that simplify and brighten our busy lives. Thank you for spending time with me today, and as always, happy cooking and clever living.